Everybody needs beauty as well as bread, places to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and cheer and give strength to body and soul alike. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Keep close to nature's heart and break clear away once in a while and climb a mountain or spend a week in the woods. Wash your spirit clean. Climb the mountains and get their good tidings. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. The winds will blow their own freshness into you, and the storms their energy, while cares will drop off like autumn leaves. The sun shines not on us, but in us the rivers flow not past, but through us, thrilling, tingling, vibrating every fiber and cell of the substance of our bodies, making them glide and sing. Nature's beauty is a gift that cultivates appreciation and gratitude. One day's exposure to mountains is better than a cartload of books. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. Tug on anything at all, and you'll find it connected to everything else in the universe. This grand show is eternal. It is always sunrise somewhere. The dew is never all dried at once. A shower is forever falling. Vapor is ever rising. Eternal sunrise, eternal sunset, eternal dawn and gloaming, on seas and continents and islands, each in its turn, as the round earth rolls. I only went out for a walk, and finally concluded to stay out till sundown, for going out I found was really going in. The world's big and I want to have a good look at it before it gets dark.